Hello students, Sridevi Gauri Shankar here. Welcome to Math Made Easy. The topic which we are going to discuss today is exponents and power. Why we have to learn exponents? Let me start with this. Scientists who studied lunar samples from Apollo space mission estimate that the moon is 4,600,000,000 years old. Now, is it easy for you to read this number? It's little bit difficult, right? Students, now you will be knowing why we are learning exponents. To express a large number in an easy way where we can write, read and compare. Now let us see what exponential form is. When a number is multiplied by itself several times, okay, we can write it in a short form. Here when you see this example, 3 is repeated, multiplied again and again. Instead of writing in this way, we can write it in a short form, and this form is called as exponential expression. Okay, this form is called as exponential expression, and the number which is repeated is base, and how many times it is repeated is its power. We can name it as exponent or power or index. I'll repeat. The number which is repeated is its base, and the number of times it is repeated is its power. Understood, students? So we can name it as power or exponent or index. Students, now let us see example 1. Expression here. What is the meaning of this? What is meaning of 5 cube? If number is if the power is 3, we can say it as cube, and if we have power as 2, we can say it as square. Okay, those are special names for 2 and 3. If we have power as 2, we can say it as square, and if we have power as 3, we can say it as cube. So now 5 cube. Understood? Now it is 5 cube. What is the meaning of this? 5 into 5 into 5. What is exponent here? Exponent means power. Power is 3 here. And what is base here? Base is 5 here. And value of this expression is 5 into 5 into 5, which is equal to 125. Now let us see example 2, students. Minus 2 by 3, where we have to, this is a base number and we have to repeat it 5 times. Okay, the power means we have to repeat that number 5 times. Now minus 2 by 3, we are going to repeat it 5 times. Now what is the exponent here? Power is 5. And what is the value base here? What is the base number here? Minus 2 by 3. And value here is, we have negative symbol where it is repeated 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. It's an odd number. So for sure we will be getting a negative number. And the value of this is 32 by 243. Minus 32 by 243. Understood, students? Now let's start with exercise sums. Now question number 1. Find the value of 11 square. Okay. Find the value of, the first question is 11 square. 11 square means 11 is repeated 2 times. So 11 into 11, which is equal to 121. Understood, students? Now here 5 is a base number and power is 4, where we are going to repeat 5 4 times. So 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, which is equal to 625. 5 base number, power is 4, we have to repeat 5 4 times. So when we are going to repeat 5 4 times, we get 625. Now question number 2. Express the following in exponential form. B has been repeated 4 times. That is, base will be B. Understood? That base B has been repeated 4 times. Now, how to express it? So, B is a base number and it is repeated 4 times, and that is going to be the power. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 times, that is going to be the power now. So, B to the power 4. Understood, students? B to the power 4. Now, next sum. Now, can you find the difference between the previous sum and this sum? Here we have a single alphabet where it is repeated again and again, and here we have different alphabets. A is repeated 3 times, C is repeated 4 times, and D we have written only once. So, A is going to be the base. Okay. Now, how many times it is repeated? 3 times. So, A to the power 3, that is A cube. Then C to the power 4, it is repeated 4 times. C is repeated 4 times. So, C to the power 4, and then D is not repeated, so only once. Understood? Now, question 3. Express each of the following numbers using exponential notation. Now, they have given a number and we are going to express it using exponential notation. Now, how to express it? What we have to do is, first we have to factorize it. 343, when we are going to factorize it, we can factorize it with 7 tables, right? So, 7 times it will give you 49. And when you are going to factorize 49, 7 sevens are 49, and then 7 again 1. So, 7 into 7 into 7. So, 7 is repeated thrice. 7 to the power 3, which is equal to 7 to the power 3 or 7 cube. Now, let's see question number 3, 729. First, we will factorize it. (243) into 3 is 729. 81 into 3 is 243. 27 into 3 is 81. Then 9 threes are 27. 3 threes are 9. And then 3 ones are 3. So first what we have to do is we have to factorize first. And now 3 is going to be the base number. And let us see how many times it is repeated. So 3 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times it is repeated. 3 is repeated 6 times. So 3 is going to be the base number and the power is going to be 6. Understood, students? The remaining sums of this exercise will be continued in the next video, students. Kindly like and share. Subscribe to my channel. For further information, you can contact this number.